We are still looking at vector theorem, and today I want to show how to find the constant using the vector theorem. So this is my first example: x squared plus 5x plus a. Given that minus 3 is a root, find a. So this is a root. So factor of a root, from the first lesson we learned that function of a root gives us 0. Therefore function of minus 3 will give us 0. Then we substitute minus 3 for x, minus 3 squared plus 5 minus 3 plus a. Yeah. We don't have a constant, or the constant is unknown, represented by a. It's equals to 0. Then minus 3 squared is 9 minus 15 plus a. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 plus a is equals to 0. Then our a is 6, or you can use a factor. So the factor, if the root is minus 3, means x is equals to minus 3, then our factor is x plus 3. We can use the long division method, x plus 3 into the polynomial here. X into x squared is x, then x times this expression is x squared plus 3x. Therefore we subtract x squared minus x squared is 0. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Then we drop a here. Then x into 2x is 2. 2 times this expression is minus 2x plus 6. Therefore we subtract 2x minus 2x, and this will be 0. Then a, we have nothing to subtract. We have no like term to subtract from a. Therefore a minus 0a is equals to a. Then minus a is positive 6, it's minus 6. So you can see that here we are left with a minus 6. Given that this is a root, this means a minus 6 is also a root. It must equate to 0. Therefore our a will be 6. So this is a second method. You can use either method. X cubed minus 2x plus a, where a is a constant. It is given that x minus 2 is a factor. Find the value of a. We do the same. Function of 2, here the root is 2, it's equals to 0. We substitute. Therefore 2 to the power 3 minus 2 times 2 plus a, this will be 8 minus 4, this is 4. So plus a, 4 plus a is equals to 0. Therefore 4 comes to the right side, it becomes negative. A is equals to minus 4. Then part B, find the quadratic factor. Find the quadratic factor. So to find the quadratic factor, we divide by the one of the factors, a linear factor. So this is a cubic polynomial, which means we can have a linear factor and a quadratic factor. Therefore let's divide. Long division, our long division we learned from previous lessons. X into x cubed is x squared. The x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times minus 2 is minus 2x squared. Therefore x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Then here we are going on squared. Here it's 0 x squared, because we don't have x squared here. Minus minus, it becomes positive 2x squared. Then minus 2x minus is 0x, we don't have any value with x. Therefore it remains minus 2x. So we are dropping minus 2x and minus 4. Then we divide again. X into 2x squared, this will be 2x. Then 2x times this expression, it will be minus 2x squared minus 4x. Therefore 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Minus 2 minus minus, it becomes positive. Minus 2x plus 4x, it is positive 2x. Then we drop minus 4 here, because we have nothing to subtract. X into 2x, it's positive 2. Then 2 times this whole expression is 2x minus 4. Therefore 2x minus 4 minus 2x minus 4 to give me 0. This means this will be my factor, and this will be a quadratic factor. So the quadratic factor here will be x squared plus 2x plus 2. Here we find a quadratic factor here. So that's how we find a quadratic factor. This was the second part of the question. Then Zimsec past paper questions. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus ax to the power 3 plus bx squared minus 2x minus 4. His factors x minus 1 and x minus 2 show that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. So this will be solved by simultaneous means 2, this x plus 2, show that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. So here both the function of roots, you get a positive root and a negative root here. So negative 2 and positive 1 is roots. So the function of these roots will be equals to 0. Therefore, let's start by function of 1. So here 1 to the power 4 plus a, 1 to the power 3 plus b, 1 squared minus 2, 1 minus 4. So if you simplify this, we reach at this a plus b is equals to 5, which is the equation 1. You find the equation 1 if you make the first root, function of the first root is equals to 0 here. Find a plus b minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore a plus b is equals to positive 5. And on the second function of this root will give us the second equation, minus 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, because it removes the negative. This means we are going to punch this into your calculator. Minus 4 to the power 4 is 16, minus 2 to the power 3 is minus 8, minus 2 squared is positive 4, minus 2 times minus 2, it becomes positive 4, then minus 4. Therefore minus 8a here plus 4b plus 16. Since 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, therefore we are left with 16 is equal to 0. Minus 8a plus 4b, then my 16 comes to the right side to become negative. Then I will divide by 4. If I divide by 4 here, I get 2 minus 2 here, minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 4. So this will be the second equation. I will solve this simultaneous equation now. B plus a is equal to 5. Then here I have just rearranged. B minus 2a is equal to minus 4. Therefore I will subtract the second equation from the first equation, since here I have similar terms. B minus b is equal to 0. A minus minus, it becomes positive. A plus 2a is equal to 3a. 5 minus minus 4, which means 5 plus 4 is 9. So 3a is equal to 9. A is equal to 3. You've seen that here we are given that a is equal to 3. Then on b, we are just going to substitute the value of a for 3. Therefore b plus a is equal to 5. Therefore b plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore b is equal to 5 minus 3, which is b is equal to 2. So I've proven that b is equal to 2. So that's how you attempt these types of questions. So this marks the end of our lesson. I've shown this. Then try to attempt the exercise.